Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog fibstalker.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the fibstalker nickname. Good evening. Today is Sunday, July the 28th, 2013. It's 9 p.m. Toronto time, and this is a video for my weekend review, which I publish to my newsletter subscribers. In this quick video I'm going to review the weekly chart of the EURFX currency futures contract, the dollar index futures, the SP 500 E-mini futures, and the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar weekly forex pair, which is on the screen. Let's start from the euro. Is the euro, and this is the weekly chart, and those who follow me know that the way I model a price goes back from a draw I like to do from this 2001 low to highs in 2008, and as you can see, there were two period in time, mid of 2010 and mid of 2012, in which we have price dipping into this 121 40 area and then continuing higher. So there was participation on the upside, and we saw this in July 2012, and as we can see, we had a move higher, and we modeled this move using a level which is the actual 50% of this large draw, but on the euro and dollar forex pair, and we saw price going higher here above this 134.59 and continuing higher. Eventually price came back to the all the way halfway back again, and I've been monitoring this level since the highs on in February 2013. So follow me know that my line in the sand for a continuation lower has been the 127.14. Price never went below that level, and actually recently with the spike higher we had mid of June here, we also broke this 133.57, which is indicating to me that now the shorts are not interested in keep pushing price lower. So at the moment we saw these 3 weeks of move higher, and again price is in a very important area at the moment, because as short stepped before, shorts could step again in the area that goes from 132.44 to 133.59. The move that we cannot see on the weekly chart, but we can clearly see on the daily chart, and please check the daily update, as targets is 133.20, as we will see later on. So at the moment I'm still anticipating a continuation higher, and this support area in the 120 that starting the 129.10 is a target in the 141.10. Moving to the dollar index, what you see on the screen is the daily chart. Let's move to the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart we have to notice once again this level of resistance that we trace from the highs in 2010 to the lows in 2011, and we saw that this level of resistance has acted as such twice in 2012 and again twice in 2013, and recently we had in the past we have been following this move that never this trace that found support in the 79.30 area twice in 2012, but was never able to make it into this 85.60, which should have been a target here. So this 85.60 was never reached. Price came back to that setup again, 79.80, and eventually continued higher, but they found the opposition of this 84.50 again, and twice and I believe price is now going to move below this 80-60 level. That's what we should anticipate in the coming days and weeks. Moving to the SP 500, we know that the SP 500 has been moving and is still moving in weekly extensions log, having this 1565 level of support, and if all goes well, this level of support should see a target in the 170.30 area. Indeed, the target could come lower, as we could use this 1660 to trace the level of support here, and we are probably going to see, if this move continues higher, the 1710 level. To me, the level that will decree the end of this move higher on the weekly chart will be failing the 1530, which would open up a multi-month correction for the SP 500. Finally, the USD versus the Canadian dollar pair. What you see on the screen is the weekly chart, very long term, since 2009. We know that we have a level of resistance that we have been tracing since a few months now, from the highs in 2009 to actually lows, and this level of resistance is the 105.70, and this level acts as a resistance again, and now price is going to correct, and first level of support which I see for this pair is coming at the 101. It's actually coming at, it's coming at this it's coming at this 10. I need to move the scale just to show it. So the level is going to be this 101.20, and that's where I would see as a first target the temporary end of this move lower, and then we will try to understand if we get a bounce where we could actually keep short in this pair. So this pair obviously has targets below the 0.9410 level. I hope this video is helpful. I actually wish you a very good trading week. I want to remind you that these videos can be found only in my newsletter. If you want to receive the newsletter, just subscribe on my blog, and I'm going to send it to you along with the updates. Have a great trading week. Bye bye.